Everyone, I have some really bad news. The term medical grade when it comes to skincare is for the most part a lie. And let me tell you why. I got this DM a while ago and it just got me thinking I need to rehash this topic again. So let's get into it. The term medical grade normally has three things attached to it. Usually only sold at derm clinics or at spas. They claim to have a higher concentration of active ingredients and they're tested to be effective on skin. But none of that is true. First claim, the amount that you can use of a specific active ingredient is dictated for the most part by regulation, not by the medical gradeness of a product. If it's not covered by regulations, the chemical company who sells the ingredient will give the formulators an approximate range that they should normally stay between to get the effects that you want. And then when it comes to being tested to be more effective on skin, any brand can do clinical testing to see if their product is effective. But it doesn't change anything about the actual classification of the product. Talking specifically about sunscreen, medical grade sunscreen isn't going to inherently give you more protection just because it's medical grade. They have to go through the same amount of testing. I work with sunscreen labs that work with everyone from medical grade brands all the way to drugstore brands. Same chemists, same labs, same ingredients. Medical grade is just a marketing term that makes professionals trust the brands more. It's a difference in distribution strategy. Rather than selling directly to consumers through something like Sephora or Ulta, their retailers are professionals. So their sales teams are pitching the products and educating the professionals so that the professionals will then buy the products from the company and then the professionals can then sell the products to consumers. And because of how that whole sales process works, professionals trust those brands more. Can medical grade brands have excellent science? Absolutely. I know plenty. A lot of drugstore brands do too. A lot of the most intense clinical testing is done on products made by brands with the most amount of money, which are the big multinational brands, L'Oreal, Unilever, Procter & Gamble, and those companies own the vast majority of the drugstore brands. If you want to use medical grade skincare, go for it. If you like it, I love it. But there's zero guarantee that it'll be in any way superior to any other products.